Drone technology in modern warfare. Today we will explore how drone technology is transforming military operations and global security. To illustrate these developments, we will use the current geopolitical tensions involving Israel, the United States, and Iran as a case study. The Middle East has long been one of the most strategically important regions in the world. Political rivalries, military conflicts, and security concerns have shaped the policies of many countries in the region. In recent years, drones have emerged as one of the most influential technologies in these conflicts. Unlike traditional military aircraft, drones can operate without a pilot on board. They can be controlled remotely or, in some cases, perform tasks autonomously with the support of artificial intelligence and advanced navigation systems. The growing importance of drones can be seen in surveillance missions, border protection, intelligence gathering, and precision military operations. What makes drones particularly significant is that they offer military capabilities at a lower cost compared to many traditional weapon systems. As technology continues to advance, drones are no longer simply support tools. They are becoming central elements of modern military strategy. To understand their impact, let us first examine how drones are used in military operations today. One of the primary uses of drones in modern warfare is aerial surveillance and intelligence. Gathering military commanders rely on accurate information to make effective decisions, and drones provide real-time images and data from the battlefield. Modern drones are equipped with advanced cameras, thermal imaging systems, radar technology, and communication equipment. These tools allow military forces to monitor enemy activities, identify potential threats, and gather intelligence without exposing personnel to danger. Another major application is tactical strike operations. Armed drones can carry missiles or precision-guided weapons and attack specific military targets. Compared to traditional airstrikes, drone operations often require fewer resources and can be conducted with greater flexibility. In addition, low-cost drones have changed military strategy significantly. Instead of depending solely on expensive fighter jets and large military platforms, armed forces can deploy large numbers of drones simultaneously. This approach can overwhelm enemy defenses and create new tactical advantages. Recent conflicts have demonstrated that even relatively inexpensive drones can destroy military equipment worth millions of dollars. As a result, military planners increasingly view drones as force multipliers that improve operational effectiveness while reducing costs. Because of these advantages, drone technology is becoming an essential component of modern defense systems worldwide. Countries are investing heavily in drone technology because drones provide several strategic benefits. First, drones help protect national sovereignty. Governments must monitor their airspace, territorial waters, and critical infrastructure. Drones provide continuous surveillance and can quickly detect suspicious activities. Second, drones significantly improve border security. Many countries have long-land borders or maritime boundaries that are difficult to monitor using conventional methods. Drones can patrol these areas efficiently and provide real-time information to security agencies. Third, drones reduce risks to military personnel. Traditional reconnaissance missions often place soldiers and pilots in dangerous situations. Drones allow these missions to be carried out remotely, reducing casualties and improving operational safety. Another important factor is cost efficiency. Building and maintaining advanced fighter aircraft requires enormous financial resources. Drones generally cost less to produce, operate, and maintain, making them attractive options for both developed and developing nations. Furthermore, advances in artificial intelligence are making drones more capable than ever before. Future drones may be able to cooperate in swarms, coordinate missions automatically, and analyze large amounts of battlefield data in real time. These advantages explain why drone technology is becoming one of the most important areas of military innovation globally. However, despite these benefits, drones also raise important ethical concerns that cannot be ignored. Although drones provide military advantages, their use raises serious ethical and humanitarian questions. One of the most significant concerns is the risk to civilian populations, even highly advanced. Systems are not perfect. Errors in intelligence, technical failures, or inaccurate targeting can result in unintended civilian casualties. Another concern involves accountability when military operations are conducted remotely or supported by artificial intelligence. Determining responsibility becomes more complex if a drone attack causes unintended harm. Who should be held accountable? Is it the operator, the military commander, the software developer, or the government? The increasing development of autonomous weapon systems adds another layer of concern. Some experts worry that future drones may be capable of selecting and engaging targets with limited human intervention. This raises questions about whether machines should ever be allowed to make life and death decisions. International humanitarian law emphasizes the principles of distinction, proportionality, and necessity. Military forces must distinguish between combatants and civilians and avoid unnecessary suffering. Drone operations should always comply with these principles. There is also a psychological dimension. The ability to conduct military operations remotely may lower the perceived cost of using force, potentially making conflicts easier to initiate or prolong. Therefore, while drones represent technological progress, their use must be guided by strong ethical standards and legal oversight. The rapid growth of drone technology has important implications for global security and geopolitical stability. One major concern is the global arms competition. Countries around the world are investing heavily in military drone programs as nations seek technological advantages. Competition may intensify, increasing regional tensions and security risks. Another challenge is the growing accessibility of drone technology. Advanced drone systems are becoming more affordable and widely available. This creates opportunities for misuse by non-state actors, criminal organizations, or extremist groups. Furthermore, drone warfare may change the balance of power between nations. Smaller countries with advanced drone capabilities may gain strategic advantages that were previously available only to major military powers. To ensure responsible use of drone technology, several measures should be considered. First, governments should establish clear regulations governing the development and deployment of military drones. Second, international organizations and governments should strengthen cooperation to develop common standards and promote transparency. Where meaningful human control should remain a requirement for decisions involving the use of lethal force. Fourth, investment in defensive technology should accompany the development of offensive drone capabilities to maintain strategic stability. In conclusion, drone technology has revolutionized modern warfare by improving surveillance, intelligence gathering, operational efficiency, and military effectiveness. However, technological innovation alone is not enough. The future of drone warfare must be guided by ethical responsibility, international law, and a commitment to protecting civilian lives. Ultimately, the challenge facing governments today is finding the right balance between technological advancement, national security, and humanitarian principles. Only through responsible governance can society ensure that drone technology contributes to security without undermining human values. Thank you for listening.